You keep rolling your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to House BK Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming to you guys with a new unit from the Sensational What Lace collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Dasha and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So of course, you get the typical construction that you do get with the What Lace collection units. So you do get your 13x6 parting space. It is free plucked, honey. It does come with baby hairs, some little baby hairs. It does some little swoopty swoops. It does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. For this one, I did go in with my Ebin lace tint spray in the color dark brown. And honestly though, as you guys can see, this white cast that's still going on, I feel like Sensational is still not doing it for me as far as the lace is concerned. This is that HD lace, and honey, it is on the white ashy side, so definitely beware of that. I used the tint spray, I used concealer, and it's still giving off white vibes, so like definitely keep that in mind. So the texture on this unit, honey, is like a soft, relaxed yaki. I really like it a lot. As you can see, the style got some little flips going on, and then it's just straight. So it's very much giving Morgan vibes. If you picked up the Sensational Morgan unit, or if you've seen reviews on it, it is very much similar to the style. I would say the only big difference between them is this one is more texturized than the Morgan. So I feel like if you're a fan of Morgan, you probably will be a fan of this one too. So the density on this unit, I feel like is pretty good. It's right in the middle. If I had to guess the density, I want to say it's like 150%, so not a lot of hair, but not too little either. I feel like it's perfect. It's right in the middle. I think the length of it is very nice. It's very natural. It comes right below my boobs, and it thins out a little bit towards the bottom, so I do like that. This is kind of giving me like Misha vibes. So this one also is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so if you feel the need, you can go ahead and apply heat, but I wasn't really getting hump action. Maybe just a little bit, but all I did was go in with my bristle brush and just brush it down, and I feel like that helped definitely alleviate that. I feel like this unit is cute. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con is going to be the HD lace. That's probably one of the reasons I've been such a bigger fan of the Outre Perfect Hairline collection, because I just feel like their lace is much easier to melt than the Sensational What Lace collection. I feel like if you have skin that's lighter than me, you'll probably be able to do a better job than I was able to do, but something about Sensational's lace just doesn't hit right for me, and I feel like for people of my skin tone, we just have to put in way much more work to make it look realistic without getting that white cast. Like, honey, like the hairline, of course, is very pretty, but this lace, like, you see the cast, I feel like certain angles you can't really see it, but then like, look, you see that? That's not cute. So I do not like that white lace cast. But other than that, I feel like this is all in all a cute unit. I do like the style of it. I think the texture is really nice. The density is really nice. The way that it lays was very nice. I feel like it was super easy to style. This seems honestly like it would be a good everyday unit, but I feel like I would have to pack on even more concealer to make it look the way that I want it to. So girl, not really a fan of that. But as a whole, I feel like it's nice. It's a cute look. It's something a little bit different for Sensational, so I can't be mad at them for that. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Baby biting, what I'm writing. Stay behind when I'm igniting. They deny it, cause they blinded. Ain't no hiding, no coinciding.